Here is a detailed overview of Bactroban. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name. Generic name, mupirocin. Drug class, topical antibiotic, monoxycarbolic acid class, brand name, Bactroban. What is it? Bactroban, mupirocin, is a topical antibiotic used to treat bacterial skin infections. It works by inhibiting bacterial protein synthesis, effectively killing or stopping the growth of susceptible bacteria. Indication: Bactroban is used to treat impetigo, caused by Staphylococcus aureus and Streptococcus pyogenes, secondary skin infections, e.g. infected wounds, intranasal form, eradication of Staphylococcus aureus, including MRSA, from the nasal passages and carriers. 4. Contraindications: hypersensitivity or allergy to mupirocin or any component of the formulation, not for ophthalmic, intravaginal, or internal use. Avoid in patients with open or large wounds, especially with polyethylene glycol-based formulations due to systemic absorption risk in renal impairment. 5. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Inform your doctor if you have kidney problems, especially when using large amounts of ointment with polyethylene glycol base. Open or large wounds, allergies to medications or topical products, not recommended for long-term use. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and mucous membranes. Do not use on burns unless prescribed. 6. How to use. Topical cream ointment. Apply a small amount to the affected area 3 times daily. Can cover with gauze if needed. Intranasal ointment for MRSA decolonization. Apply a small amount into each nostril twice daily for 5 days. Press the sides of the nose together to spread the ointment. Dosing information. Topical cream ointment. Apply to affected skin 3 times daily for up to 10 days. Intranasal. Apply into each nostril twice daily for 5 days. Miss a dose, overdose. Miss dose. Apply as soon as remembered. Skip if it's close to the next dose. Do not double the dose. Overdose. Rare with topical use. If accidentally swallowed or systemic symptoms occur, seek medical help. Stop or avoid taking. Stop using and contact a doctor if severe irritation or allergic reaction occurs, e.g. rash, itching, swelling. Symptoms worsen or do not improve within 3 to 5 days. Signs of systemic absorption, especially in renal patients using large areas. 10. Side effects, in detail. Common side effects: burning, stinging, or pain at application site, itching, redness, or dryness of the skin. Less common: headache, intranasal, runny or stuffy nose, intranasal, altered taste. Serious side effects: seek immediate medical attention. Allergic reactions: rash, hives, swelling, difficulty breathing, severe skin irritation or blistering, superinfection with resistant organisms, e.g. fungal infections. 11. Vital information. Complete the full course, even if symptoms improve early. Use exactly as prescribed. Do not share with others. Avoid prolonged use due to risk of resistance. Not effective for fungal or viral infections. Do not apply to eyes or mucous membranes. 12. Other drugs that will affect Bactroban. No significant systemic drug interactions due to minimal absorption. Avoid concurrent use of other topical products at the same site unless directed by a doctor. Polyethylene glycol base may interact with other agents causing renal damage if absorbed systemically.